Hello everyone, welcome to Framework Educational Hub, and this is a series of algorithms. This is the second video in the series of algorithm. I have already discussed breadth first search traversal. I hope you all have watched that video. So if you haven't watched that video, then please watch it and come back to this one. Today in this video I am going to explain depth first search traversal, that is DFS. In the previous video I have discussed breadth first search traversal, and here I am going to discuss the depth first search traversal. I hope it is visible to you. So here is a graph, and there are few vertices like V1, V2, V3, V5, V6, V7, V8, V9. Don't get confused, V4 isn't available here. V4 यहाँ पर available नहीं है. यहाँ पर V1, V2, V3, V5, V6, V7, V8, V9 ही है. V4 available नहीं है. So please don't get confused. Breadth first search में हम लोग जब traverse करते थे तो top to bottom we used to traverse and we just go taking the width or the breadth. But in the case of depth first search traversal, we will go downwards through the graph, and as we know the meaning of traversal, that is going through each and every vertex of the graph or each and every node of the graph. Here also we will do the same thing, but the method is different as compared to the breadth first search. So here let us start with the vertex V1. Whenever this question comes in your examination, you have to write the steps like this. So I hope these steps and these lecture will help you in your examinations, like the data structure or the design and analysis of algorithm, or even the artificial intelligence modules or the subjects contain these algorithms which are included in this series. So if you haven't subscribed this channel, then I request you to please subscribe the channel and also press the notification bell so you will get each and every notification of my latest uploads. I am going to upload each and every algorithm. I will try my best to cover each and every algorithm present in all three papers, like data structure, design and analysis of algorithm, and also the artificial intelligence algorithms. So now back to the depth first search traversal. As I just told that V1 is the first node. So as I have told before also that we can choose any of these nodes or the vertex as the first one, but here I have taken V1. So let us start with vertex V1. This is the first step. Now the adjacency vertices, or I can say that the connected vertices, are V2, V7 and V3. These are the three connected vertices which are connected to V1. So in the second step we will just show that what are the connected vertices from the first one and which we are going to use. So now the adjacency vertices of V1 are V2, V7 and V3. So we have to choose only one. So here let us choose V2. So now we have traversed from V1 to V2. The third step, now the adjacency vertices of V2, as we have selected V2 in the previous step, we will show the adjacency vertices of V2. Now the adjacency vertices of V2 are V1, as we can see that V1, V5 and V6, these three are the adjacency vertices of V2. We can clearly see that V2 is connected directly to V1, V5 and V6. So V1, V5 and V6 are the adjacency vertices of V2. The directly connected vertices or nodes are known as the adjacency vertices. So here on the second step, it is the third one, now the adjacency vertices of V2 are V1, V5, V6. So we have to just select any one. So we have to tell that we have already traversed V1. V1 has already been traversed. So let us choose V5. So as we are having two options, V5 and V6, and V1 has been traversed, so we don't have to choose this one. We have two remaining options, V5 and V6. So we have to choose only one of them. So here let us choose V5. Now you can clearly see that V1, V2 and V5, V1, V2 and V5 have been traversed. So now we are proceeding towards the next one. Now the adjacency vertices of V5, as we have just selected V5 in the last step. So now the adjacency vertices of V5 are, we can see here the adjacency vertices of V5. V5 is connected to V2 and V7. Only two vertices are the adjacency vertices of this one. So now the adjacency vertices of V5 are V2 and V7. But we have already traversed V2. So V2 has already been traversed. So let us choose V7. Only V7 is the remaining option after V2. So we have to select this one. Now we can directly and clearly see that V1, V2, V5 and V7, these are the four vertices which have been traversed. Now moving towards the next one, as we have selected V7, now we have to see the adjacency vertices of V7. Now the adjacency vertices of V7, as we have selected V7 in the last step, the adjacency vertices of V7 are, we can clearly see V5, V6, V1, V8 and V9. These are the five vertices which are directly connected to V7. So we don't have to choose each and every vertex. We just have to clarify that which one has been traversed and which one has not been traversed. So here, now the adjacency vertices of V7 are V5, V6, V1, V8 and V9. V5, V6, V7, V1, V8, V9 are the adjacency vertices of V7. V1 and V5. V1 and V5 have already been traversed. So let us choose V6. As it was the remaining one, there were three options, V6, V8 and V9. So now we are choosing V6. So V6. Let us choose V6. Now V6 has already also been traversed. Again, adjacency vertices of V6 are V2 and V7, and we clearly know that V2 and V7 both have been traversed. So again, adjacency vertices of V6 are V2 and V7, both have been traversed. Now in this case, when we are having such vertex which have been traversed and the connected vertices are also been traversed, then we exactly return towards a vertex which has been chosen in the previous step. So again, the adjacency vertices of V6 are V2 and V7, both have been traversed. So then return to V7. Okay, sorry, and choose another one, that is V8. So these were traversed, so we are going to choose V8. In the next step, now the adjacency vertices of V8 are V7 and V3, and we know very well that V7 has already been traversed. Then let us choose V3. So now, as we can see, we chose V8 and the adjacency vertices of V8 were V7 and V3. V7 was traversed, so we will choose V3. I hope this point is also clear to you and you are not having any confusion. So now the adjacency vertices of V3, as we have reached to V3, the adjacency vertices of V3 are V1, V9, V8, and we know clearly that V1 and V8 have already been traversed. So the remaining was only the V9. So let us choose V9. Now we can clearly see that each and every vertex of this given graph have been traversed. So the work of traversing the vertices of this graph using the depth first search has been completed. Now we have got the adjacency traversal list using depth first search, and the list is V1, V2, V5, V7, V6, V8, V3 and V9. So here, this is the list which was the chosen elements in the end of the each step, and we just form the list of those steps. As we chose, first of all we chose V1, then V2, then V5, then V7. So V1, V2, V5, V7, and then after V5, V7, we chose V6, V8, V3, then V6, V8, V3, and finally we chose V9. So here's the list of the adjacency vertices, or we can say that the depth first search traversal list. As we were studying depth first search traversal, so the list we got right now is the depth first search traversal list. I hope the video and the lecture, the depth first search traversal, is clear to you all. If If there is any confusion or any query regarding this question or any other question of my videos, any other query, you can drop your queries in the comment box. I will work on it and respond to your comments. So please, if you like the video, then like it, hit the like button, and also share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe the channel and also press the notification bell. As soon as you press the notification bell, you will start getting the notification of my latest uploads. Go through the channel, you will get miscellaneous series. There are various series, various courses available on this channel. C, C++, Java, and software engineering, PHP, .NET. There are various courses available on this channel. So please subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you will get a notification of my uploads. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe Fame World Educational Hub.